misconception that is yoga is for only female.
Would it be right to say that social media has really helped yoga's growth या word of mouth के through बढ़ा है?
That's a harsh reality. I can say 50% of the people are practicing yoga to just post out the story. And yoga is something that you need to connect with people. Perception ही धंधा है. You will never able to make money out of that. दारू वारू का नशा तो 2 रुपए का नशा कहा जाता है when you get actual नशा from the meditation. One of the biggest and the best advice which I have ever received. Every single morning you are waking up with a choice. Choice of living your life with a gratitude or living your life with a complaint.
क्षितिज अडुकिया को बनना है योगा प्रैक्टिशनर और क्षितिज अडुकिया को चालू करना है धंधा योगा की दुकान चालू करनी है. सो विद सोशल मीडिया लेट्स टॉक द नेक्स्ट 5 minutes हाउ आई कैन स्टार्ट माय बिजनेस एंड रीच to a level where I am very peace in terms of earning money.
सबसे पहली चीज योगा अगर आप एक धंधे के तरफ से देखोगे यू कैन नॉट मेक आउट ऑफ मनी नेवर.
ठीक है.
बिकॉज व्हेन इट्स कम टू योग वो बाकी धंधों से अलग है. इट इज अ सर्विस बेस्ड बिजनेस. ऐसा नहीं कह रहा सर्विस में पैसा नहीं है बट योग एक ऐसी चीज है अगर परसेप्शन ही धंधा है यू विल नेवर एबल टू मेक मनी आउट ऑफ दैट. बिकॉज योगा में आपका जो इंटेंशन है वो लोगों के साथ कनेक्ट करता है. एंड योगा इज समथिंग दैट यू नीड टू कनेक्ट विद पीपल. लोग तुरंत ही जान जाते हैं आपका इंटेंशन क्या है. तुरंत ही उनको दे आर नॉट लाइक फुल. इफ यू आर नॉट हैविंग अ प्योर इंटेंशन ऑफ सर्विंग दैम योर नॉलेज दे विल नॉट बी कंटिन्यू विथ यू. बिकॉज इवेंचुअली लोग आपसे आपके साथ जुड़ने वाले हैं और लोग ही पैसा देने वाले हैं. सबसे पहली चीज वर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ. हैव अ क्लियर इंटेंशन दैट यू आर वर्किंग ऑन द फील्ड ऑफ योगा नॉट टू अर्न मनी, टू सेव, टू हेल्प अदर्स फॉर देयर बेटरमेंट, टू हेल्प अदर्स टू इम्प्रूव their health and well-being. अगर वो एक perception है, if you have worked on yourself, if you have learned, if you have implemented those skills, and then if you are going in the market to share that, then only you will get the money. You will able to make money out of this. When it's come to a small yoga business, those who want to scale up, how they can utilize social media and they can improve they can scale up their business. 3 things that they need to work on. Whenever you are putting content, we are only focusing about content. Put a content that provides value. ऐसा content नहीं कि सिर्फ आप difficult pose show up कर रहे हैं, you are just showing the advanced poses. People will get entertained, but they will not going to purchase anything or buy anything or join yoga with you. They need to have a reason to press that blue follow button for your profile. When you are able to give that reason that if you will follow me, this is how you will able to get learning out of this page. This is how you will able to unlock those postures. So that is the second thing. Third thing, when you are working on the content, always have one thing in your mind. Normal content doesn't work. You need to include entertainment with that content. Because people are having really lack of focus, really having less attention span.
So clickbait content you're trying to say?
You can say like I usually follow a strategy of 5S. Content must need to be shorter, need to start with a really powerful hook, needs to have a story, needs to convey a story, needs to have a one kind of strategic flow, and it needs to have a specific kind of call to action. You are telling them to start the journey, and somehow it should convey a sense of relatability. For example, if I'm starting a video, okay, that video is about like maybe back pain. If I start the video as like, Namaste everyone, today I'm going to help you to relieve from your back pain. Bullshit. No one is going to watch. But instead of that, if I start the video as like, these are the 3 postures that will help your partner to get relief from your back pain. Every single boyfriend will share it with their girls. Every single girl will share it with their boys. That's how it works.
Someone has got an intent. Someone has got the sense of value of yoga also. चलो understood. But क्या एक इंसान नॉर्मल इंसान जिसके पास पैसे नहीं हैं स्टार्टिंग में 50,000 या 1 लाख से एक योगा का बिजनेस चालू कर सकता है?
Yes, absolutely.
कैसे?
You need to have a specific niche. If you want to work on offline market, okay, it's possible. When it's come to online market, it's a bit challenging. Somehow, if you are having investment of 50,000 to 1 lakh. Yeah. सबसे आसान वे जो है, it's to work on your social media, work on your content, अच्छे से प्रोफाइल बनाओ, अच्छे से अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करो दैट यू आर नॉट द नॉर्मल योगा टीचर, यू आर हैविंग सम मोर स्पेशलाइजेशन. Just choose a one specific niche. If you are a yoga teacher who is helping you with every single problem, it's not going to work. You need to have a one specific niche. Yoga teacher for back pain, who is really specialized in back pain. Whoever comes with a back pain, you are having that authority. If you are having that authority that you can help them to relieve from their back pain, it will work. If you are focusing on different niche, for example, my special forte is specialization in hand balancing. People are paying me bomb amount of money for learning handstand. Why? Because they know I have achieved those Guinness World Record based on my hand balancing. I'm the greatest of the greatest, those who can balance hand balancing for the longest period of time. So I have built that authority, and because of that reason I can generate the revenue out of that. 50,000, 1 lakh अपने आप पे spend करो, because this small amount if you will put anywhere else, it's not going to work. Work on your own self, position yourself and stand out from other teachers, and that's how you'll able to make it.